Myself, Yuvraj Sonone, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Botany, MSG College, Malegaon Camp. Today, I am going to teach SYBSc students Botany Theory paper first. Title of the paper is Taxonomy of Angiosperms and Plant Ecology. Family Nyctiaceae. Systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Division phanerogams means study of flowering plants, flower bearing plants or flowering vascular plants. Subdivision angiosperms, close seeded plants. Seeds are present within the fruits. Class dicotyledons, seeds with two cotyledons. Reticulate venation. Taproot system. Subclass Monoclamidae or apetalae. Apetalae means petals are absent. Presence of perianth. Series Curvemri, curve embryo. Family Nyctiaceae. Inflorescence cymose type. Cymose means the main axis does not grow continuously. If flowers are present terminally on the main axis, the flowers are born in a basipetal order or basipetal succession. Salient features. Habit. Plants are herbaceous. For example, Boiravia. Shrubs and climbers. Rarely trees. Pisonia. Root. Taproot and branched. Stem. Herbaceous or woody. Spiny. Erect means upright or even climbing. For example, Bougainvillea species. Leaves simple, alternate or opposite, those of each pair being often very unequal. Exstipulates, stipules absent. Inflorescence. Cymose biparous with a tendency to monocacial development in the higher branches. Monocacial means a cyme having only one lateral flower or branch originating from beneath a terminal flower, resulting in helicoid manner. Flower pedicellate, stalk is present. Bracteate, bracts are present. Bracteolate, bracteoles are present. Bisexual, androecium as well as gynoecium is present. Or unisexual, for example, Pisonia. Actinomorphic, hypogynous. Hypogynous means if sepals, petals and stamens are attached to the receptacle below the ovary. Presence of involucre of brightly colored bract. Key character of family Nyctiaceae. Perianth, Number of tepals 5. Fused means gamophilous. Funnel shape in Boravia. Tubular. Twisted estivation. Twisted means one margin of the floral appendage overlaps in the margin of the next appendage. Androecium. Number of stamens variable, 2 to 20 free, usually 5 to 8 or equal to number of petals, but may be more. Unequal length of filament. Anther basifixed. Gynoecium. Monocarpellary, one carpel or single carpel. Ovary superior, unilocular with a single basal ovule. Style long and simple. Fruit akin with anthocarp or false pericarp. Akin means it is a small one-seeded fruit containing a single seed. The seed is attached by a funiculus, but the seed coat is free from the inner wall of the pericarp. Akin type of fruit. Seed small with unequal cotyledons. Means cotyledons are unequal. Non-endospermic. Curved embryo. That's why they place series curvemri. Floral formula of family Nyctaginaceae. Bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 3 to 5 or 5 to 10, stamens 5, gynoecium 1, ovary superior. Distinguishing characters or key characters. Herbs, shrubs or trees with swollen nodes. Leaves exstipulate, opposite, sometimes unequal. Flowers bisexual, conspicuously bracteate, bract often enlarged and petaloid, look like petal. Petaloid means perianth uniserate, stamens 5. Ovary with nectariferous disc, unicarpellate, uniovulate, ovule basal and campylotropous. Fruit an akin or nut with a persistent accrescent calyx forming an anthocarp. Family Nyctaginaceae. Example, Bougainvillea spectabilis. See the flowering twig, then leaf, floral bract as well as flower, then ileus of flower, androecium, gynoecium, TS of ovary, floral formula and floral diagram. For example, Bougainvillea spectabilis. Family Nyctaginaceae. Economic importance. Bougainvillea spectabilis, native of Brazil. Popular ornamental means showy climbers of warm countries with magneta bract. Magneta bract means the small flowers are surrounded by brightly colored papery bract. Magneta bract. Leaves are used for eye wounds, muscular pains, means muscle pain, and to purify the blood. Second example, Mirabilis zaleapa, commonly known as 4 o'clock plant. The roots are purgative. The leaves lessen inflammation and are applied to boils. Number third, Boiravia diffusa, commonly known as Punarnava, a very important medicinal plant, common weed after rainy season. Root is laxative and also used in asthma, asthmatic complaints, bronchitis, then anemia, jaundice. It is an antidote to snake venom. Number fourth, Pisonia aculeata. Plant is generally used for hedges plant. Hedge means shrub or trees planted at regular intervals to form a continuing screen is called a hedge. Number 5, Abronia umbellata, trailing annual with beautiful globular heads of colored fragrant flowers, good for hanging baskets. References are used. Then this is a bougainvillea. Thank you very much.